Hello everyone, this is your friend Kim from Gadget Central and welcome back to my channel. And for today, I'm going to do another unboxing of a budget-friendly gadget. And before we proceed, if you haven't done so, please show some love to my channel by subscribing to Gadget Central. Thank you guys. Okay, if you remember on my last video, I unboxed a webcam from ACER, which is the ACER 4K webcam. And for today, I decided to buy another webcam which is kinda similar to ACER 4K webcam. And are you excited to know what's inside the box? So without any further ado, let's see what's inside this box. Alright guys, I'm excited to see this because I waited for a week for this. And this is the EMEET Smartcam C960 ULTRA. And this is also a 4K webcam. So that's the first one. And then it comes with a free EMEET tripod. These are my new loots, guys, and again I'm very excited to unbox all this because I want to do a comparison of which webcam is better. Is it the ACER 4K Ultra HD webcam, or is it the EMEET C960 ULTRA? We'll find that out soon. Okay, let's see the box first. So pretty much it doesn't have anything outside. This is the only thing that we can see from outside. The rest, it's just some text and other stuff. Same as with the tripod. Pretty much this webcam, it's kinda similar to the ACER webcam. First, it's 4K, and the sensor of this webcam is 1 and 1.5 inch sensor, which is also from Sony. And similar to the other webcam I bought, this also has an aluminum body finish. Alright, so are you ready to see this guy? Okay, let's unbox it. Alright. So when you open the box, it says that the privacy cover for this is attached on the webcam itself. Unlike the ACER webcam, it's detachable where you can just put it if you're not using it, and then you can just remove it if, let's say, you're gonna be using the webcam. For this one, you just need to either rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise, and you can use the lens. Later I will show you guys. Alright, so inside the box we have some manuals and some printouts. Let's put it here, and this is it, guys. I'm very excited. Oh, kinda heavy. Okay, so maybe I'll remove the accessory first. So this is the webcam. The body is aluminum, simple, and kind of similar to the ACER webcam that I unboxed last week. Have you seen it, guys? Okay, so first I'll show you the different parts of the webcam. These two are the microphones, and I believe that the microphones also has noise cancellation, which is good because background noises will be blocked. This is the light indicator, and you can see it here that it says it's a 4K webcam and it has 30 FPS. If you use full HD or 180p, you can go up to 60 FPS. There's also a universal thread here where you can mount or put any tripod accessories here, or this one, guys. 4K, and it's powered by USB-C. And now for the privacy cover itself, this is how it works. So you just need to rotate this, and then if you're not using it, just do the other way, and you have the privacy cover already. Cool. And it has a matte finish, so it's very nice on the hand. And guys, it's also very small. If you can see, I can put it on my one hand. Very nice, guys. Inside the box, aside from the manuals earlier and the webcam, we also have this. In case you want to hook it up with your monitor, right? You can just put this here. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad, guys. Sorry, it's here. Yeah, you can just tighten it here. Once you're done tightening it, right, you can just hook it on your laptop or your monitor like that. Or if you want to use it this way, it can also stand on its own. I'll show you guys. It's like this, guys. Yep, it will look like that. That's the free accessory, it's included. And then we also have a free cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. They also provided a free USB-C to USB adapter. So if you want to use it this way, you can do it. It will also work. This is the ACER webcam that I bought. It's detachable. The privacy cover versus the EMEET C960 ULTRA. The privacy cover is attached to the webcam itself. Now I'm very excited, guys, to compare these two and see which one is better, whether it's the ACER 4K webcam or the EMEET C960 ULTRA. And I promise, guys, I will do a test for each webcam, and I'll also do a comparison and see which one is clearer and which one is better. Now let's move on and unbox the EMEET tripod. This was free, guys. When I bought this, it's on promotion, right? And I've gotten a free EMEET tripod, which is a good deal. Oh, before I forget, guys, I bought this set on TikTok for about $82. This is more expensive than the ACER. ACER, I bought it on Amazon for $60 plus, I think. Let's continue unboxing this tripod. Oh, this is the tripod, guys. I believe, oh, this is where you can attach it like that or like this. I think I need to put this first. Am I correct, guys? Yep. Oh yeah. This is to tighten, guys. So this one, it can be extended. Let me check, guys. Okay, I'm not sure, guys, how many inches or how many cm is this, but it can be extended. Yeah. And then, oh, it's nice. It's like that. The tripod, right, will work like this. It can be used like that. It can stand and it can be used like this if let's say you're shooting on a landscape mode, let's say for YouTube, right? And then it can also work this way, guys, if let's say you're shooting for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram, or if you want to shoot using portrait mode. Let me do it like this so you can see it. So this way, guys, right, it will be on portrait mode. Then if you want to shoot using landscape, you can also do like that. Alright, so guys, I'm very excited to try this, and I will upload soon the test for the ACER webcam and also for the EMEET C960 ULTRA, and I'll also do a comparison, and as promised, I will upload it as soon as I finish my test. But meantime, guys, what do you think of this webcam? Again, guys, this is the EMEET C960 ULTRA. You can share your comments, you can share your thoughts or opinion about this and let me know, okay? I would like to thank you for your support. This is your friend Kim from Gadget Central, and apologies for not uploading, guys, because a lot of things happened to me within the last 2 years. Mostly personal, but now I'm okay. And again, you will be hearing a lot from me, guys, soon. Just give me time to upload and review. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to Gadget Central. I appreciate your support, guys. And everyone, take care. You all have a great day, guys, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.